Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty, and I am still continuing with the Lookfantastic advent calendar. Today is the 3rd of December and so we're just gonna jump right in and see where we get to. Things are going pretty good with the box right now. On day 1 we had a 9-pan Morphe palette. On day 2 we had a styling hair serum, so I wonder what we're going to get in the box for day number 3. So this is box number 3 and I am thinking it sounds like a liquid. This box is full of surprises, so I'm wondering if it's like a face wash or toner or something. It is a clear skin purifying toner. Oh wow, that smells very fresh. How do I say this? Very, like almost mint-like, very natural, very herby. Vino Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner. Perfect the complexion with this clarifying toner for combination skin. Perfect, I have combination skin. The weightless texture melts into skin whilst the blend of salicylic acid and grape polyphenols? Organic essential oils draws out impurities from within the pores. Use morning and evening on cleansed skin. And it's a decent size as well. It's not your tiny little half size of toner where you're going to go through the bottle in one use as you douse like a cotton pad. This is definitely something that is going to last a little while, and it even has the cap on to control how much you are spilling onto a cotton bud. Apply morning and evening on cleansed skin with a cotton pad, do not rinse. So that was day number 3 at Caudalie. I feel like I'm not saying that right. So this is a facial clear skin purifying toner that smells beautiful and is in a really decent size. So I am impressed with day 3. So that means a Morphe palette, a hair serum, a styling serum, and now a facial toner. Thank you guys for watching, and tune back tomorrow so that you can see day number 4, what we get in the Lookfantastic advent calendar. So far things have been really good, so I'm excited to see where this goes. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.